In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove personal demographic data on LinkedIn. We'll start right from the browser. Open your preferred web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn. In the results, click the official LinkedIn website. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your feed. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your account settings. Once you're on LinkedIn, look to the top of the page for the navigation bar. Click the Me icon, which sits near your profile photo. This opens a drop-down menu with options related to your account. From that drop-down, click Settings and Privacy. This takes you to LinkedIn's Preferences hub, where you control your account, data, and visibility settings. Take a moment here to let the page fully load, so all categories appear clearly on the left side. Within the Settings and Privacy area, locate the section labeled Personal Demographic Information. This is where LinkedIn stores any optional demographic details you may have shared in the past. These details are used for aggregated insights and inclusive features and aren't displayed on your public profile. However, if you prefer not to have this information associated with your account at all, you can remove it entirely. Click Personal Demographic Information to open the page, then find the option labeled Remove. Before you proceed, consider whether you want LinkedIn to retain any of these optional fields for analytics or product features. Removing them will delete the stored demographic data from your account settings. You can always choose to add information back later if you change your mind. Now, click Remove. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you intend to delete this data. Read the confirmation carefully so you understand what's being removed. When you're ready, click Remove to confirm. LinkedIn will process your request and clear the demographic information associated with your account. You may see a brief success message or simply return to the Preferences page with the fields cleared. That's it. Your personal demographic data has been removed. If you'd like to double-check, refresh the page and revisit personal demographic information to verify the fields are empty. For future peace of mind, remember you control whether to provide these details. If LinkedIn prompts you later to share them, you can decline or skip. And if you ever decide to contribute this information again, you can add it back through the same settings and privacy path. Thanks for following along. By completing these steps, you've taken a clear action to manage your data and privacy on LinkedIn.